Merry Christmas. Today we are going to do some sourcing and we are going to figure out how fast I can find products without using the daily target list. If you do not know what the daily target list, it's a list that my VAs built for me and for you. If you want to subscribe every single day for $1, there's a link in the description, $1. You can trade for $1 and then it's $1 a day, a little bit under or over $1 a day. It's really cheap. There's a link for that. But we are not going to cheat. We are not going to use that. I haven't looked at it today. I have no idea what's going on. What we're going to do is we're going to start from scratch and we are going to put a timer. All right, not a timer, but a stopwatch. And we are going to see how fast I can find a profitable online arbitrage products. All right, if you do not know me, my name is Usman Gunza. I release daily videos and it's about to change soon, but I release videos about selling on Amazon. So subscribe. Also, if you want to join, if you want my help to scale your business, scaling.com. All right, you can apply right there. And let's just start. Let's see how fast I can find a product. Let's start the timer. Here we go. How fast can I find profit? A lot of sales today, so I assume I'm going to go to top cashback. All right, let's go to top cashback. And the reason why I'm going here is because I want to see what is trending. And Macy's is trending. Macy's trending, Belk is trending, Puma is trending. We've sourced Puma a couple of times right there. All right, on this channel. So let's try to see, okay, up to 60%, extra 30% off. All right, so to calculate my exact cost, I'm going to use my product calculation sheet. And yes, there's a ton of it right there. That's fine. All right. That's fine. I just added stuff because I was looking at some stuff. Okay. That's fine. Nobody cares. You can get it, same thing in the description. All right. And we are going to, I'm wasting time. We're going to go here. Okay. All right. Let's see what we can find profitably. So Puma. Here we go, Cool Cat slides. So this might actually be profitable. Let me see. And I made a couple of videos on Puma already. I've said it over and over again. The Cool Cat slides are going to be profitable. The Puma slides are always going to be profitable. We get an extra 30%. Okay, so we get them for $17.99. 30% coupon. Here we go. 2% credit card cashback, and we can get no gift cards, but we can get some cashback right here. Okay, we can get 3% right here. Up to 8%, so 8% on online purchase. It's probably going to be the best. I'm not going to check cashback monitor. 8%, here we go. So we get this at $12.22. All right, let's try to find them on Amazon. Let it load, and we have the all black ones only, which are right here. Perfect. $12.22. This is not going to work. This is not the one that we want. The one that we want are these. All right. Perfect. So some variations are selling for up to $40. So what we're going to do, we don't want to sell this one because Amazon is selling on this one. All right. So let's go to the variations. Let's try to find one with Amazon being out of stock. I think Amazon might be out of stock of this one. Let me see. Yeah, and we can sell this for $34.95. $34.95. Oh, my bad. And we get this for $12.26, right? $12.22. $12.22. Perfect. And which size is this? Size 9. Size 9 is available, and here we go. Okay, it took us like less than 3 minutes to find profit. Okay, if you want to run a business that is efficient, if you want to learn all these strategies, all that stuff, you can watch all my videos, or if you want my help, okay, just get on the call with my team, scaling.com. We'll teach you how to actually run this business and how to actually make money. Okay, you can learn by somebody that is actually running this business, that just demonstrated this in front of you, right up. Okay, this is how I source, this is how my team sources, this is how I've been teaching people to source. We can go way deeper into that. Go to scaling.com. It's a one, not an I. Book a call with my team. We'll get you right. Okay. Stop listening to people that are not even running this business. In 2025, okay, we need to change things. You need to change your business if you want to make money. Talk to my team. We'll work something out for you. All right. I'll see you soon.